The concurrent positioner lets a positioner axis rotate independently while the robot runs its own path, ideal for continuous processes like thermal spray and shot peening. Let's set it up. Before you begin, 3 things should already be in place. Your positioner must be configured as an external axis. Its joint limits must be set correctly in the loadout. And robot configuration with external axis calibration should be complete. The workflow has 4 steps. First, add the concurrent positioner module. Position its brackets around your waypoints. Set the rotation parameters. Then plan and simulate. Start from a program that already has its motion path. Here, an auto pattern spray path runs over the part, with a home waypoint before it and after. To add the module, open the Add Function panel, and under the Utility tab, choose Concurrent Positioner. It's inserted as a start and end bracket pair around your path. Now select the Concurrent Positioner start item to open its properties. In the properties, choose the axis that will rotate. On a 2-axis positioner, only the one you pick moves. Set the direction and the mode. Then set the joint speed and acceleration. The speed also shows revolutions per second and per minute, so you can dial in the right rate. There are 2 rotation modes. In infinite mode, the positioner spins continuously until the robot finishes the section. If the speed is too high, it can reach its joint limit and error out. That limit is set in the loadout, and you can raise it there if you need more travel. Otherwise, keep the speed low enough to stay within it. In positional mode, it rotates by a fixed number of degrees you set. The rotation is also capped by that same joint limit from the loadout. With the brackets around your waypoints, the module takes control of the positioner inside the section, so any positioner settings on the individual waypoints are ignored. After the end bracket, waypoints behave normally again. In this example, a loop is added inside the section, so the spray pattern repeats for several passes while the turntable keeps turning, here set to 11. Spray visualization can also be added, simulating the coating coverage on the part, so you can confirm the whole surface is reached as it rotates. Here's the completed section. A home waypoint sits before the start bracket. At least one waypoint runs inside, and a home waypoint sits after the end. Every waypoint inside must be parented to the robot, not the positioner. If one isn't, the software prompts you to reparent before planning. With everything set, click Plan to generate the motion. In simulation, the turntable rotates steadily while the robot runs its spray path on top of it, the 2 moving together but independently. With spray visualization on, the coverage builds up across the surface as the part turns, and collision checking stays accurate across the whole concurrent motion. And that's the concurrent positioner. Wrap your path in the module, set the axis, mode, and speed, and the workpiece turns on its own while the robot follows its path, ready for continuous processes like thermal spray and shot peening.